Lesson 1. Making spending decisions. Hey, Isaac. What are you doing?
Oh, hi Jane. I'm saving up money.
What are you saving up for?
I'm saving up for a space toy that I've been eyeing for months.
A space toy. Are you sure that you need a space toy? What needs do people have? A need is something people must have to live. People need air to breathe and food to eat in order to survive. We also need water and shelter or a safe place to live. And we also need clothes. Other people can also have different needs.
Is this a need too, Jane?
You don't really need that to survive, Isaac. That is a want. What do people want? A want is something people would like to have. What do you want to have, Isaac?
I want lots of things, Jane. From a space toy to a new bicycle.
You may want those things, but you don't need them to survive. Sometimes people want more than what they need. I definitely have a few items in mind that I wanted, but my allowance won't cover everything I want. So, we have to make choices to put our needs first before getting what we want. Now that you know what's the difference between a want and need, let's put you to the test.
If you like the video, there's a lot more on
Click the
KiQS
next
Got Talent where you
lesson
can
button
access
below
hundreds of
to begin
interactive
with
learning
the
videos.